We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from French and what it means. Its literal meaning from French is face to face, but in English it is generally used to say in relation to or in comparison with as an adverb. How do you go about pronouncing it? In French, for reference, this is said as vis-à-vis, vis-à-vis. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is rather similar as vis-à-vis, vis-à-vis, from French, vis-à-vis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many useful words and phrases and expressions from French that are commonly used in English that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.